this video we are going to see how you can use external modules in Python. So for example, imagine you have two lists. Let's say like A equals 1, 2 and 3 for example, and B equals 4, 5 and 6. So if we want to perform some operation like C equals something like A divided by B, and we need to multiply it with 5 or something, and if we need to get the result, we try to run Python followed by our file name, so Python followed by 1.py. For example, we are getting an error over here. It's saying like it cannot do operations on list and list, stuff like that. So what you can do is you can use the help of an external library. So here in this case we are going to use something called Numpy. First of all, we need to install Numpy. Before that, we need to install the Python package manager Pip. So if you are on Linux or if you are on any Linux distribution, you can do that with help your package manager. So sudo apt or sudo pacman, whatever you use with this, and you can install python-pip. For some distribution, you need to specify python 3-pip. So after you get that installed on Windows and like Mac, you can do like you can get the link of pip with this link, and if you follow this link, I will put this in the description. You can get like pip binary over here, and if you reinstall like if you install this get pip, it's going to do like installation of the pip package manager for you. So for my case, I have already done that, and we can install the library or module with pip. So pip install, for example, we are going to use Numpy here. So if I do that, it's going to download and install Numpy. For my case, it's already installed, so I don't have to worry about that. So on the top, we are going to import Numpy. Since we have that, we can convert these two lists to Numpy arrays, for example. So what we can do is C equals numpy dot array, and inside brackets we can specify the list A, and we can divide that with numpy dot array of B, and we can multiply that with 5, for example. Now if we print the value of C, we have the statement over here, and if we try to run Python, this you can see the value which we have over here. So if you want, you can change this and you can run that. You're going to get the value still. So this is how you use an external module in Python. So let me close my editor for now. So if I open my browser and if I search for Py, you're going to get this page pypi.org. If you open that up, you have access to the Python package index. Here you can search like here you can find the packages which depends on use case. So for example, if I need a speech recognition library, I can do like if I search speech, I'm sorry about that, if I search that, it's going to give me all the available options over here. So something I like is PyTTSX3. So this can actually convert text to speech. So if you click that, you can see how you can install the module and how you can like it will give you some small documentation on how to do some basic tasks and all the other stuff, and most of them you can go to their GitHub or GitLab or wherever they are hosted, and you can use them. So most of the time we will not have like we may end up in some place where we to like do some function, but it's not like possible with the default packages in Python. for those stuff, you use the help of these packages to get your thing going, or else you can even write your own package or module for that matter. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.